What's going on? This is OB from Cybercash Classroom. Glad to see you back. If you're a subscriber, thanks for coming back. If you're new, subscribe. On this video, we're going to talk about how to earn money from Instagram without making reels. So let's get right into it. So, with the new feature, sorry for that. With the new feature, it allows you to legally remix and repost other users' reels. Before, it was a little bit, the lines were a bit blurred on how you can do that without getting in trouble. So now, with Instagram's newest feature, you can do that and legally remix. So this will allow you to earn money through remixing without creating any content yourself, which is happy days for the people that are busy like me. And this allows you to, for collab opportunities and increase engagement, because essentially you're just taking what's already working and remixing it. Now, the guidelines for giving proper credit generally is you got to tag them, you got to put an @ in the caption to let people know that it's their content, and include a caption to clearly state that it's it's a remix on the credit, and a link to the original reel, to provide a direct link. Now that was the general guidelines if you're just re-uploading content. So in other words, if you're just downloading their content with either software or Instagram download a software online, you'd have to do all these bit by bit. Now, with the remix option, all these three things are taken care of straight away. So it's incredible. I've been using it, it's absolutely incredible. Now, there's a lot of growth potential with this, because when you remix reels, it can lead to some good growth and monetization opportunities. So it's definitely the great time to start taking advantage of this, because now we can, I guess, skip the queue, if you will. So definitely get on there and start using remixing options. And the tips for selecting reels and building a follower base and essentially making money with this is you have to choose reels that align with your niche. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, choose reels that are in the health and fitness niche. That way it's all congruent. And second, which is the most important, you want to look for reels with high engagement and viral potential. So in other words, if you're say for example you go on ClickBank and you find the top dog offer because you like dogs, and you're looking to make more sales with that dog offer, then you would start a dog Instagram account and you would follow the biggest dog accounts, and they're in their reels, in the reel section of their profile. You want to look for the one that has the highest amount of views per line. So if you see a line of 3 videos and one has 1 million views, the second one has 2 million views, and the third one has 5 million views, then you would click the 3 dots at the bottom, and if they have the option to remix, you would choose that and post it on your profile. And by doing this, again, it opens more opportunities for collaboration, because popular creators and Instagram accounts are going to see that you remix their video, and they want that. They want their content to go out to more people. So it's a win-win for everyone involved. So highly recommend you take advantage of this option. This is exactly how to earn money from Instagram without creating any reels yourself. I've been using it, and I've been learning how to use this effectively in the 100 Million Mission Program by Eric Kage. And if you want to get more information about that, in the link in the description, I'll leave a link so you can check it out yourself. Let me know what you think. And again, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching, guys.